posture that's comfortable, supportive. Finding contact with chair, ground. Just getting in touch with your natural breathing rhythm, the flow of the breath coming in and out. And allowing mind and body to be just as they are, sitting, supported by chair, floor. Relaxing the face. Softening any sense of tension that's here in the shoulders. Just having a very gentle uplift, wakefulness in the body, supported by the solidity of the lower half of the body in contact with chair, floor. Welcomed, supported and held. And perhaps imagining a place, that you're in a place that gives you feelings of safety, safeness, calm. And you can play with this idea, kind of, what is this place? It might be exactly where you are, or it may be somewhere else in the imagination. Place where you feel at ease, cared for, welcome. And then the next thing is the invitation to bring to mind someone who cares about you, someone who's there for you. Might be a mentor or a loved one, friend, someone who has nothing but care and kindness for you. Imagine their presence and let any feelings that come just soak into the body. Feeling wrapped in these warm feelings, any warm feelings that arise when you think about this person who cares about you, cares for your well-being, wants the best for you. And breathing with what's here. And then bring into mind someone who you feel compassion and care for. And recall how it feels to be with them. And opening to any compassionate feelings that are here when you bring this person to mind. Just being aware of any story creeping in and letting that go, and just see if you can stay with kind, warm feelings towards this person. Letting these soak into the textures of the body. letting these feelings of compassion and care fill you, expand the whole body, sitting, if that feels okay. Knowing that you can always come to an anchor at any point if you need to. If it feels okay, just letting this sense of warmth, kindness, care fill the mind, soak into the body. Well of kindness that's bottomless and is always within you. And just spend some time dwelling here with this compassionate quality, this compassionate self, and allowing any images to come if they'd like to of this sense of compassion and warmth. And if you'd like to, if images come, if thoughts come about this compassionate being, then you can just note down, what does it look like? What form does it take? Does it have colours, textures? What does this compassion say to you? What does it want for you? What does it want you to feel? How does it want you to feel? What does it say to you? Just noting down anything that comes. What does it want for you? And how do you feel now? And then, however this has been, is okay. This is a practice of just tuning in. However this experience has been is absolutely fine. Just coming for the last moments of practice back to the sensation of breathing, body sitting in contact, grounding, anchoring,